Medellin is a super vibrant city. It gives you lots of inspiration, all the different places that you can walk around, the beautiful greenery. You can see just has a great tropical climate. It gives me a lot of inspiration, and this gives me a productivity boost because I can go out, I can walk in nature, I can see the active city, and it inspires me to go back and do my work. So that's one of the things that Medellin has created for me, created an environment for me that I can be creative and I can be productive with my work. Now let's see, there's lots of interesting stuff in my neighborhood. I love to walk around, get inspiration from different places, say hi to the people. Hola, ¿cómo están? And you can say hi to people, and just everyone here in Medellin is part of my movie. I'm making a movie, and everyone here, they're the actors in my movie. I'm the main character. No, I got main character syndrome, but I think everyone else is just like actors in my movie. And here is the house right here. If I was gonna make a horror movie, I would make it here. Hola, buenas. So, you know, every day of my life is like a different movie. But look at this house right here. This house is a scary house. This is in my neighborhood. So if you want to make a movie, like a horror movie, and you want to pay me with the cameras and stuff like that, we can make a horror movie inside this house. I don't know what's going on here. It's got some like Roman style like columns and stuff. And there's some antiques and stuff in there. And if you peek in really closely, there's a couple of ghosts in there. I'm kidding, let's go this way. So I wanted to say that like just taking a break from your work and taking a walk around the block, that gives you another creativity boost. You can just, for me, when I'm feeling stuck, I have a coffee, I'll sit on my balcony, I'll just take a nice little walk around the block, I'll say hi to some people in the street, just be creative, look at the different surroundings that Colombia has to offer. That's another creativity boost for me. It gives me energy, it gives me a way to like break the monotony, and I can just chill and check out the beautiful scenery they have here. And that's another way I can get more productive. Now go back to my office in my studio, edit those videos, make magic happen, and then go back to just chilling, maybe hit up the gym, make a couple of calls, make sure that Juanes doesn't fall. Hey, it's dangerous being a camera person. I gotta tell you when those trees are coming, watch out. That's the thing about making movies in Medellin, is the sidewalks are uneven. So if you're making movies and the cameraman is walking backwards, you have to notify him because it could be dangerous. And so, but I'm not really being a really good host because I just let him walk into a tree, a sidewalk, and he almost fell. But I appreciate that one. That's part of the job. And so just taking a break from your daily routine and just taking a walk around the block, seeing people say hi, see? Hi, ¿cómo vamos? ¿Todo bien? Ah, bueno, me alegra mucho. Qué lindo. Okay, chao. Cuídate mucho. And so she's in my movie. She's like an extra character in my movie. And so you just take a walk around. And this is a punto de encuentro. So if you're just meeting up with friends and you're like, hey bro, I don't know where to meet up. And there's like this green square. Like, let's meet up on the green square on this random street that no one meets at. I don't know why that's a meeting point. It makes no sense. It's like things in Colombia don't make sense. This is a meeting point on a random side street. That's where people meet. So I'm just gonna call my friends, hey, we're gonna meet up that random meeting point, and they'll have no idea where it is, and then no one will show up. That's why you don't meet at random meeting points. I don't know what that punto de encuentro is. But they have nice buildings here. There's a lot of new buildings. I think they just put this up. Look at all these nice buildings. You get an apartment here. You could be my neighbor. You could move to Medellin and be my neighbor and live in one of these nice buildings. Man, this building looks nice, no? This is nicer than my apartment. This is new. Maybe I should just move around the block. This is my style. They have my style because I like that like black mat, como negro mate. It's my style. And look at the woodwork up there. That's nice too. If I have to move out of my apartment, I'm moving over here. I'll just stay in the same move. It'll be easy move. I just take the truck around the street, around the corner to move. So that's the other thing. And another boost to your productivity can be doing social things. So I say, get out there, meet people. Another punto de encuentro. So if you need to meet up with somebody, say, you know, we're gonna meet up with this sign. and they know that you have to meet up. I call Juanes, hey Juanes, what's up, what are you doing? And nos vemos en el punto de encuentro. Ah, daddy. And then here we're gonna meet over here. So that's good that they have these. I would have not known where to meet with people. And so create that social group. Make sure that you're meeting people who will keep you accountable. They keep you making your goals. The other people are at high level who are doing cool stuff, business deals. Put yourself around people who are gonna make you be your best self. Make you excel at what you do, and they're gonna push you and then call you out when you're not doing your right stuff. I have friends like that who are really cool, and then when they say I'm not doing what I could be doing, they call me out on that. And that's what I'm saying. Oh, whoops. It's important to have friends that will call you out and that will make you be your best self. So that's really, really important. So those are some tips. Get out, get a new perspective. If you're feeling stuck, take a walk around, take a trip on one of the cable cars, and just get a new perspective. That's what Medellin has given me, is a new perspective on life. And so I like to look at things differently. That's why I have the shirt designs. Buenas. I have the shirt designs with the backwards Z's. It's like a different perspective than Medellin with the backwards Z's. And it's just like I like to take a little bit of a different look at something. And my life is like an audio Picasso. Picasso said, what if you put the ear where the butt should be and the butt where the ear should be? And then how are you gonna look at that? That's how I look at life. I wanna mix it up and take a different look at it. That's what I'm doing right here. Different inspiration on things that I'll look at in normal life differently. So get your inspiration. I wanna know what will inspire you. What's your best life? For me, my best life is I'm making YouTube videos. I'm working on my brand. I work for other brands, make amazing audiovisual productions. I get to go to the gym, go out and dance, hang out with my friends. I have my motorcycle. I go and do trips. So this is my personal best life. I'm happy what I'm doing. I have my freedom. I'm not locked down to a desk all the time. I can leave, I can do some edits, I can go to the gym, I can chill. And so that's how I chose my life. I made Medellin my home, and it's given me a life to do what I want to do. And so that's why I have my freedom. I have my financial freedom. I have my time freedom, and I have the freedom to go around where I would like to go and hang out with who I'd like to hang out with. I have the freedom to do what I'd like to do, to hang out with who I like to hang out with, learn what I want to learn. I'm in control of my destiny, of my own time, my finances, of where I live, who I hang out with, what type of people I hang out with. And I basically get to live my best life. Now I want to hear from you. What does your ideal life look like? Is it, midday workouts at the gym, getting to talk with people, socialize, having a social circle? What does your best life look like? I want to hear in the comments. Let me know. Let me hear what you have to say. Give me ideas. If I don't like them, I'll say it. If you don't like my ideas, that's fine. I'll do it anyways. And keep on following the channel. Keep on growing this channel. Make likes, make comments, share the videos. Let's keep on growing this community so we can make amazing things happen. You can see what Medellin is like, what Rob LaFond's life is like, and you can just be involved in this community. So thank you so much, and I'll see you the next time.
My name is Rob LaFond, an audiovisual producer based out of Medellin, Colombia. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, leave a comment, and stay tuned for more epic adventures. See you in the next one.